Hello everybody, this is Mark, and I'm starting a tutorial series on dispatch timers. I went through and I learned how to use a timer to make something happen randomly or after a certain amount of time, or something that would seem randomly. So I figured I'd share everything that I've learned about dispatch timers. So here's our example. So it just showed you I have a quick start and stop button, and there's some windows down below. I have it set up in a grid form. We'll go over this more in detail later on, but I figured I'd give you guys this teaser video just to show you what I plan to do. So here, this is all our XAML, and then behind that is our CS. We got to set the data context. We'll talk about that later. We have our relay command, which I used in my first tutorial series and explained. And then we just have our timer view model, which let me go ahead through and expand everything so you can see it. So this sets everything up for our timer. Tick, minutes, seconds, hours, of course, current date, time. Here's our relay commands. See where we're setting the image, going through, and then our notified property change member. So, and now let me run it, and you'll see we hit start, and we start counting, and we load our first image. And as the seconds tick by, after 10 seconds, we'll load our second image, so image number 2. And then we'll get to image number 3 at 20 seconds. And I don't have any more images, so it'll just keep ticking. It'll just keep counting. You could do anything you wanted with this. Say you were, you wanted to develop some kind of program where, you were doing exercises and you wanted 1 minute of, push-ups, and you wanted 2 minutes of lunges and 5 minutes of whatever. You could, say sprints or up downs. You could just go ahead and program all that underneath the case statement and change the images. So let's stay on this image because I have no more, but you can actually stop it. It'll actually clear the timer out, and we'll hit start. It'll start over again. So I figured I'd just give you this little teaser video on what we're going to do. We'll go in more detail as we go along. We'll start basically first by setting up our XAML, our data context, our relay command, and then I'll do another video on the timer view model. I might split it up into 3 parts just so it's not too long, but I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like it, and we'll get it going. Thank you. See you in the next video.